Welcome back to another lash tutorial with cheythelashtech. Today I'm going to be showing you a set that I feel like I just made up because I kind of did. Natural sets are all the rage right now, so I was like, what if I made a hybrid set even more natural than it already is? And then I created this look, which is extra wispy, kind of like a classic set, but better. Anyways, if you want the details and mapping to this set, don't leave this video. First of all, please excuse the quality on this video. I was having some issues with my iPhone that day when I recorded this, so it's gonna look a little bit grainy, but also my phone died while I was recording this, so I was only able to record about 15 minutes of this demonstration. So I'll just go ahead and explain what the set is and how I pretty much achieved it, which is pretty self-explanatory. Didn't really need much of a demonstration video. So as far as the mapping goes, I used C-curl with a mixture of diameters 0.15 and 0.05. As for the lengths, I used 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 16. As always, I like to drop down at least 3 sizes from the longest length for the wispiest outcome possible. So start off with your classic or 0.15 application first. For me, it's the easiest and fastest way to start off with classics and just sort of lay down the foundation of my set by placing the lengths where I want them to be. As you can tell, I don't really write out my mapping. I just never have, and placing each length down first is a way for me to map without writing it out. But I do recommend writing it out on your pads first, especially if you're new to doing lashes. It'll just help take out a lot of the mental work while you're doing your set. To make a long story short, this set is basically hybrid with closed fans, which I did make a video already about how I do my hybrid sets, so feel free to check that one out. But basically the top layer are going to be the classics, bottom layer are going to be the closed fans. The only difference is we are going to make sure we leave a few top layer lashes unlashed because we are going to sprinkle just a couple closed fans on top to make it more wispy and a little fuller. And this is after I've applied all the classics. Be sure to always check for symmetry with a lash mirror, as I'm doing here. Next, you'll fill in the rest with 0.05 closed fans. This is about the size of the closed fans I picked up. It's important that they are chunkier than a classic lash so that the wet effect is noticeable and doesn't end up looking like a regular classic set. Remember to add a few closed fans on the top layer across each eye once you're done to complete the look. Like I said earlier, my camera stopped recording when I started the closed fan step, so this is after I completed everything. They're so much darker than a classic set and so wispy, and I really loved how they came out. I totally winged it, so I really wasn't sure of the outcome, but with a few tweaks, I think this could be a really nice new natural style. And of course, my client loved them, and I hope that you guys liked them too. If you did, of course, as usual, please leave a like, please subscribe, comment below, anything you guys want to say about this set, whatever you think, anything you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching.